Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 14th, 2024. And for what is solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4-star Sudoku number 8533. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. 4 Stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. Alright. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. I can see here a lot of 2s. Let me start with 2 in this column. Last column 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there in the second row. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2. Cannot continue with the 2. Well, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 2, and the 4. We have 3, 2, and a 4 in this third row. So no 3, 2, and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3, 2, and a 4 goes in those 2, 3 boxes. Okay. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. So 7, 8, and 9. So these 2 missing numbers in the third row are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Yeah. 3, 2, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. Need a 4 here. We need a 4 in the second row. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left 8 should be there. Need 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. You see another 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Well, 3. Well, in this big square we need a 3. Oh wait, we need a 5. This big square. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 3 in a row, both from that row. Only 3 places left, the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. The 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Only place left of the 5 should be there. Then, let's see, 7, 8, 9. We have not all the 5s. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between only 3 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. The only place left of the 5. That should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Okay. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left of the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we need a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 next to the 4. Could be here, could be there. 5, 6. Need a 7 here, and I need a 8 here. Well, we have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. Mark those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1, 2, need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, need a 6. Could be everywhere. Alright. Okay. 3, 6, and I need a 2 here. Well, in this row we need a 2. Here, can it be a 2? We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. So 3, 2, 4. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Need a 3 there. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in that third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this column, so this box should be a 6. That box should be a 3. So the 1 and the 6 are left here. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here also. Come on. 6, 1, and the 6, 1, and a 7. I need a 7 here. 6, 1. No 1 here. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in this. In these 3 boxes, we have a 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 5, 3, 1. 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on, come on, come on. 1 and a 6, we already have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6, 6, 6. So 7 and a 6 are left. 7, 4, and the 9. I'm missing 7, 4, and the 9. 7, 4, 9. With all the 2s. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. 1, 1. 1, 1. Yeah. How about the 8? Need 8 there. 8, 7, 9. 8, 8. Yeah, 8, 8. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. No, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. So 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay, no. How about the oh, I marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. So need a 7 here, need a 9, need a 1. 1 in this row. 1 in this row. Last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here. On there we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing, 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left with 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have a 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with the 4 is should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star, and I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.